Alright. Good morning. It's a perfect day to go to the gym. Oh my god, what time is it? Oh no, I'm late. Oh no, I'm late. I just gotta do my makeup real quick. Oh gosh, oh gosh. So, I'm in my friend's house. She's British, because my house is being renovated, so I'm gonna go eat. Oh, girl, why did you not wake me up? Morning! Morning, I'm just gonna eat the pancakes real quick. Oh, wait, no, I can't get the key right now. I'm really in stress. You're gonna do some chores, right? Or I'm gonna go to the gym, right? Yeah? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Good. Why can't I eat this faster? You know, I'm gonna take the tea and drink it while I'm going to get my bag, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. If you need me, you know where it is, right? Of course I know what it is. Alright, have a nice day with the chores. Alright, my gym stuff are in the bag. Now I really have to hurry, because the gym closes at 5 and I want to be there before 5. And it's kind of a long way there. It takes quite a while. Alright, green light. Oh my god, I had literally hit the pole. Nobody saw that though, so I'm fine. Alright, the Bloxburg gym. I can already see it. I'm gonna just park my car here. Alright, so I'm just gonna put my bag. Hello, sir. I would like, here's my gym ticket. My gym membership, I mean. Alright, so I'm gonna customize. Change outfit to the gym. There. My stuff are in the locker. And I would like a protein shake. I hear a motorcycle. But someone's probably just coming. Alright, now I can get some, like, gonna do some squats over here. And at, like, 1 p.m. the yoga is open, so I'm definitely gonna go there. Oh, this is so heavy. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna stop. Alright, then I'm gonna do these smaller ones because they're kind of difficult. Or maybe this one. Ooh. Oh, so heavy. I think I'm gonna do this one. They're a bit easier. Oh! Oh, why is this person saying hi to me? Hey! You are a pretty lady. Thanks. You're very strong. Do you like my glitching arms? No. Is there anything that I can help you with? Maybe if you would, well, come at my house. No, thank you. No, thank you. Please, come on. It will be fun. No, I'm just going to go to the other side, if you don't mind. Oh no, he's following me. Oh gosh, this guy's so creepy. I'm just gonna do... Oh, if I do this, he'll probably want to stay away from me. Alright. So guys, just punching the bag. I kind of want to punch the bag as well, so that he knows that I can punch him. But I can't do that because he's in the bag. Can I use it at the same time? No, I can't. Oh, he's moving his arms so creepily. Why can I hear him breathing from right here? Oh, that's so creepy. You know, I'm just gonna do this. I just have to wait till 1 p.m. No, 2 p.m. Oh no! I'm gonna hurt you! Get off the way! Get away! You can't hurt me. Okay, get away, please. Get away, please. Get away, please. I'm gonna just run here. I'm gonna show you that I can run really fast. Oh no! What did he fire? This girl, she's going to ruin her dress if he goes on a treadmill. That's not proper gym wear. Oh gosh. Oh no, I'm gonna go on this bicycle. Why is he watching me? Please stop watching me, sir. Oh, he just looked at me. Alright, just ignore him, and calm down. The yoga's probably gonna be so good. It's 1 hour. After that, you can go since you already paid for the yoga and you... Oh, cutie. Oh no, please don't call me that. It's really makes me uncomfortable. Alright? Oh no, he just said tax. He said, when people say that, I know they probably mean something cursed, because only when people really want something weird, they talk in tags. It's something that I don't understand. Does anyone speak tags? I don't. Oh, his arm is shaking. So cute. So scary. You know, oh, the yoga is now. It's now the yoga time. Hello. So, it's welcome, and just do whatever I do. I'm just gonna do this so that he knows that I can just punch him in the face with my legs. Oh no. Sir, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you helping her? Oh, just in case she falls. That's so nice. That's so nice of you. Oh no, I really don't like this. At least if I fall, I'm gonna be okay. You know, alright guys, so we're just gonna stretch a bit more. I'm gonna go on this blue one. Oh no, they just went on the... Why did you two change seats? You can't change seats, but alright, you can just stay there. If you liked blue more, then you could have just went there. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm so sorry. Oh gosh. I'm gonna stop doing this. Oh yeah, we're gonna stop now since it's almost 3 p.m. And I'm just gonna tell you, but the gym is gonna close in 2 hours, so you better finish up in like 1.5 hours, unless if you want to go into stress, which is not good for yoga. Alright, I'm just gonna go out. Hopefully he's not gonna just kidnap me or something. Or steal my car. It's a convertible. Why did I bring a convertible? Alright, I'm just gonna change my outfit to my normal outfit. That's pretty good. Oh my god! Get out of my car! Stop! No! 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 Get back with my car! No! Get out! Get back! Give it back! Get out of there! Oh my god! You're getting off the road! Stop it! No! Oh my god! Help! Sir, get back my car! Get out! Get out! Get out! Just get out in the middle of the road! Stop doing swirlies! No, don't get it. Oh my god! Oh my god! There's a person! Sir! Sir! Please call the police! This guy just literally just stole my car! I can't get it back! Oh my god! I'm sorry, sir! I'm so sorry! No, get away! No! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! No, I just ran into that pole. I'm definitely gonna lose my driving lessons if the guy literally just see me. You get out of my car. Are you gonna get out of my car? Please get out of it. I'm not. Oh, I didn't even look at the stop sign. Such a bad driver. Oh god. Sir, you're not gonna get into my friend's house. You're not gonna do that. You know what I'm gonna do? No. I'm gonna leave you in the mountain. You're gonna go in the mountain. Oh gosh, my car's stuck. This, which engineer did this? No, my car is stuck. Okay, alright, good. Oh gosh, there's no mountain! Since when is there no mountain? Who carved up this mountain? Alright, just gonna, I hope my friend's all there. And she's probably not gonna believe me. She think I'm gonna be crazy. Alright. Hey, Eva, are you there? Girl, are you there? Help! Oh no! No! She got into my house and it has no doors! She's dead now! No! She's dead. Anyways, thank you for watching this very chaotic video. It was way too chaotic. And if you want to join my neighborhood, I have to renew it, so you can't join right now, but the code is my username, and you can join my Discord and subscribe and like the video. I'll see you on the next one.